Hello and welcome to Vicky's Crafts. I have another haul for you. I did get some stuff from Amazon, from the Container Store, from Dollar Tree, and Heidi Swapp and Five Below. So from Amazon, I did get these little sheet labels for my lip balms so that I could design them and then put them on my lip balms. And I also got this one. I don't even know how I'll be able to put that in the printer, so I don't know about that one. But this one is a couple of sheets, and I want to decorate to give away lip balms in my Happy Mail. And then from Dollar Tree, I did pick up the Sarasa pens and the zebra pen. So I picked up these because I don't have these colors in my stash. And these are the bullet tip right there. And they are the click art. And these were $5. And then this one is the mid liner, and I don't think I have these colors. So they have the double, one here and one here, the double tip. So you have the chisel tip and the bullet tip on that one. And then these are the 5-count Sarasa fine liners, fine felt tip for writing and journaling. And these are retro tones, so I believe these are the tones. So you have the blue, electric blue is called, the deep pink, the yellow, spring green, and purple. So these are like that. I don't know if you can see it. They look like that. So they're good for my calendar book, hopefully. It doesn't bleed through. So yeah, when I saw that, I was like, these cost 18 bucks in the regular store, so $5 is not a bad deal. So they have the other ones that I already picked up, but these are the ones that I picked up, these three. I didn't need the other ones. Then from Peachy Cheap, I did do another order of these hearts, and they are those little puffy stickers. I'm liking them, so I picked those up. And then from the Container Store, remember I was waiting for these that I saw in Michael's. Let me see where they're at. The ones from Michael, I want to see if they are the same size. Nope. The one from Michael's are bigger. See, this one is Michael's, this one is the Container Store. So they are pretty, just a tad bigger, not that big. But you get 3 in the Michael's store. They come in plastic. What's the name of it? They are the Simply Tidy 3-pack. And it's 3 different colors. Let me see if I have it here. Yes. So you get the blue, that blue, and then you get the red, because I put them together. So that's what you get in Michael's. But I did pick up 5 of them, and they finally came. And they didn't have the mint green anymore, so I had to do black, which I don't like black in my craft room. So probably I'll use it for something else. Who knows? Then at Five Below, I saw these containers in the internet, and they were $5 each. And I ordered them to come to the house. If I could open one to show you. I ordered 5, and 2 supposed to be coming. I don't know where it is, but it does have the little label there, and it's room to room, it's called, and metal storage bin. The dimensions are there. It is 13 by 4 by 10, 0 by 5, 3. So it's pretty big. So I'm gonna try to see if I know my dies and stamps will fit in here. So that's why I wanted to see if I would get different ones. I am looking for the pink one. The pink one is so pretty, but they didn't have it. It's sold out. So I did pick up the mint green because I like mint green. I wanted mint green and pink. Different. So this one I have to put a little paper because these two came with the paper, but this one didn't. So that's that. Let me move this aside here so that I could show you my monthly kit from Heidi Swapp. So I did some add-ons this month, and I think that will be it because I don't want to be adding a couple of things in here. So I did pick up some more of these stamp sleeves, the 3x4, because I needed some. And then I picked up, because I did pick up the stamp last time, but I didn't get the die. And so it has 4 dies on this one, and this one is T40120. Then the Stop the Blur has the die to this, and it's a cake. You could decorate it any way you want it, because it has all the decorations here. So I said, let me pick up the stamp with the die. And then this one I did not have, so I picked it up. And this one says rain or shine, the under weather, rain, rain, go away, sunshine, you make me smile, no rain, no flowers. That's true. And then with the die it comes with. So I picked up that one, and I think that will be good of the add-ons. But then this is the kit. This is the stamp of the month kit. This one says, enjoy the little things, see the good, made to sparkle. Here's a reminder, beautiful things are never perfect. Thank you for being you. Choose happy. Gonna be okay. You are crushing it. And then some script ones. And then the little note. Little stamp there. This one is the May 2024 Stamp Society. And then now to the Stop the Blur kit. If you hear something like air conditioning, that's my air purifier. For some reason it went on full blast. So we have the washi tape. This one has little sayings, enjoy this, just for fun. Today, right there. Okay, so that's different colors. Then we get some stickers, some star stickers. Let me give you many. You get one sheet with different color stamps, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, 22, 33. No. Yeah, 33. Well, you know. So you get pink, mint green, like a more darker pink, light orange, a lighter or darker pink from that one, and then a more lighter pink. So that's cute. Some stars. And then the alphas match. And again, it matched that one and that one. So these two colors are in the alphas. I like to leave it in the plastic. And then she made the long cardstock, which I was waiting for that. So she has these in this color. Why is it not focusing? Come on. So this color, and then some white, and then some a little lighter, and that's it. So And that fits on the page completely so that you can journal. You can even make it into a little notebook. Then she gave us some more of those clipboards in different colors. So we have the colors of the stars here. So we have that color, and then the card comes off. I did by the die. Then we have this color that's here. And then this one there, this one there, and then this one there, and then this one. And there are some lines, there's 3 lines and 3 that has polka dots on the side, very light. So that's those. Then we have the slide of the camera, little picture slides. I remember waiting for these forever when we took pictures. And you can see there are little details there, but you can hardly see it in the camera. And all of them are the same, which she gives you a chunk of them. So that's kind of nice. I wonder if she's going to make the die to this so that you can make your own. Then there was only one booklet that she gave to this. So this, you could put it on your book like that. And then you could put a picture. You could put a picture here and then journal, picture, journal, picture, journal, or vice versa. So that's kind of cute. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 little colors, and they do match that. And then this is the die to this stamp. So I guess that's it. Yes, that's it. So I have been busy this whole week. I haven't even been in my craft room, just today. I am trying to downsize my house because I think we're making our house in North Carolina. And so I want, before we start packing, I want to throw out everything that I'm not going to bring with me. So that's what I'm doing these 2 weeks. So sorry I haven't been in YouTube. So that's why I'm MIA. So stay tuned. Either probably this Saturday I might have some time, or Sunday I might have some time. So, and then the following week I'll see what I can do to really put in my calendar and my Stop the Blur, my take on Stop the Blur. And I also have some dies that I have to cut up. I just threw them in there. I have to find the cloud to it, I just threw it in there. Now I'm like hesitating. Why did I do that? So I have some dies that I have to cut out. I have a Happy Mail that I have to finish up. So I've been working on all of that, so I'll be showing you my Happy Mail also before I sent it. And when they receive it, I'll show it to you. Yeah, it's been a pretty hot mess here. And update on my neck, I do have to do a CT scan because it still hurts when I'm at work. It doesn't hurt during the day, but by the time the evening comes, I have to put back the brace. So, and that's not normal. So I called the doctor and he said we're gonna do a CT scan. So probably tomorrow or Friday. Yeah, tomorrow, Thursday or Friday, I'll do the CT scan. Hopefully everything's okay. So I'm just hoping that I just need to go to the chiropractor so that he could crack it back into place. So that's a little update of myself, and yeah, take care. And as always, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I am doing a big giveaway when I earn 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned to that because it's getting close. So take care. Bye-bye.